In one of the oldest quarters of the Afghan capital, Kabul, the Birds Bazaar supplies birds for birds fight shows every Friday. Keeping the fighting birds is a tradition began centuries ago and maintained its popularity to date. Preparing for the show takes the birds keeper's Jan Agha 45 days to train his birds how to fight. The birds keepers gamble with their birds and hope to win up to $1,000 from the bet.
کاوکک آماده میکنیم 40-45 روز یا با آمادگیش چی میشه ما تکلیف ما است ایرا میپرانیم میدوانیمش دیگه گشت میتیمش هر جای سبزه و گلکاری باشه گشت میتیمش.
On the fighting date, two birds are put in a circle surrounded by their owners. The weaker bird announces the rival's victory by escaping the fighting circle.
اونجا پیسه کی نیست. اون کاوکو جنگ میکنن مبین خود برای کی زد در کی گریخ مون خلاص بسم الله اکبر.
The show followers deny the cruelty of the birds' fight. They refer the birds' fight popularity for the mountainous nature and wild birds' presence in the Afghan towns. The show seems to them an enjoyable sport they inherited from their parents and grandparents. The long history of troubles in Afghanistan may explain the fighting birds' attraction. Years ago, Taliban warned the bird sellers to shut down their shops. Today, selling the fighting birds has become a profitable trade for ordinary Afghans who find it an entertaining hobby. Tamara Akrabawi, CCTV, Kabul.